Cabbage manchurian.
One finely chopped cabbage. One tablespoon of chopped spring onion. 4 to 5 chopped garlic cloves. Some chopped coriander leaves. 1 chopped onion. 2 chopped green chilies. 1 inch of chopped ginger. Half cup of maida. 2 tablespoons of corn flour. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Salt as per taste. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Take a mixing bowl and add chopped cabbage. Add chopped onion. Add ginger garlic paste. Add salt. Add black pepper powder. Add red chili powder. Mix them well. Add maida. Add corn flour. Add chopped coriander leaves. Combine all ingredients well. Mix well and do not add water. Soft dough is ready. Apply oil on palms and make round balls. Cabbage balls are ready. Heat oil in a pan and fry cabbage balls. Fry on medium flame. Fry until golden brown in color. Cabbage balls are fried well. Remove in a plate. Remove excess oil and add chopped garlic. Add chopped ginger. Add chopped green chilies. Stir fry. Add salt and black pepper powder, as per taste. Add red chili powder. Add vinegar and tomato ketchup. Add soy sauce and red chili sauce. Give a mix. Add 1 cup of water. Add fried cabbage balls. Mix and cook on medium flame for 5 minutes. Take 1 tablespoon of maida and add some water. To make slurry, add slurry. Add chopped spring onion. Give a mix. Turn off flame. Garnish with sliced cabbage. Spicy and tasty cabbage Manchurian gravy is ready. Tasty cabbage Manchurian gravy is ready to serve. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.